Hey everybody, it's me, Grandmaster Phil, the funniest, unfunny guy on the planet, comedic genius bar none. No laughing, no laughing, no. Alright, so the question of the day is, what kind of bird never has a bad hair day? Eagle. Bald eagle. Get it? No? Because he's bald? But I don't know. That's all we got. Remember, it's a sad planet out there. We're doing the best we can here to make the planet laugh. You guys are awesome. Remember, with God, all is possible. I am proof of that. And swoop, there it is, Spence. Johnny Beans, it's all good. Rich, positivity is contagious. And King Ryan, Queen Edwina. Peace out, Cubs. No laughing, no.